important updates with a MetaMask potential airdrop, which we're gonna go and look at the interview of the CEO of MetaMask, as well as another few airdrops. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first though, I have published over on Twitter a giveaway, as I did do a nice trade over on ZoomX, which if you wanna join, the link will be down below, is my trading partners of choice. And I did get a nice profit both on Ethereum and on Bitcoin, which I did post, by the way, on yesterday's video. If you did follow, congratulations. Otherwise, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever. So do not, follow me for my trades, but it did end well. So it did end well, and I'm doing a $400 giveaway. Make sure to go to over my Twitter. The link will be down below. You will find the ZoomX referral link as well as the Twitter link. Make sure to sign up to both. Follow me on Twitter, and you simply have to like and retweet, and I will pick through random people. So good luck and enjoy it. But on the other side, one important thing for the Eclipse ecosystem, which we have talked a lot about in this channel, the domain purchase is the easiest thing you can do. Make sure to go and do it now. It is like $1 to go and do it. So let's look for like crypto, something look like this, something completely. Here we got 0.0, so 2,225 is about $5 to go and enter the airdrop. This will give you transaction, it will give you points, it will give you more things for the airdrop. So make sure to go and do it. It is only $2 or $5. Grab one if you haven't done it yet. If you even interacted or want to interact with the Eclipse ecosystem, this is the easiest way to do it, and it is absolutely inexpensive. $5, $4, it's a bargain. You will interact with all domains, which potentially have an airdrop. You will interact with Eclipse, which officially is going to have an airdrop soon. So make sure to go and do it. Link will be down below. It is a no-brainer to leave it out for only $4. Easily, you make double back with the airdrop just by this transaction. You can get, by the way, multiple domains, up to you. Another protocol which I do fancy a lot on the Eclipse side of things is Astral. Now, Astral is a borrowing and lending protocol, and I am participating in it. How do I participate? I borrow or I supply stablecoins, because I do have some stablecoins on the side. So I supply the stablecoins. With the stablecoins, I then borrow, as we see over here. By the way, the link will be down below. Make sure to go and join it, because they still have not have a snapshot nor a checker. They have a confirmed airdrop with a point system. They also confirm it, and their airdrop will come after the Eclipse airdrop announcement. So you have time to farm this more than Eclipse. So make sure to jump in. It is very important. Eclipse is going to be huge. So what I do is I supply, as we see here, USDC. I borrow then Ethereum. Once I borrow the Ethereum, I try to keep it under the 50% mark of what I supply in USDC, so that I am not in a risk position. And of course, by the way, this is crypto. There's always risk, just for you to know. Then once I borrow Ethereum, I go and swap them over on Invariant, which I will leave the link down below as well to go and swap them. And I will swap them from Ethereum to TETH, which TETH is basically the $1 with Ethereum. And then I supply this one as well. So I supply USDC, borrow Ethereum, swap Ethereum to TETH, and I supply TETH. And as we see here, I am grabbing some points. So make sure to participate, make sure to enter now. This is a really, really juicy airdrop. This with Invariant and all domains, super nice. These are going to be, in my opinion, the top 3 airdrop. We're going to have Eclipse, Astral, Invariant, and possibly all domain. So yeah, don't leave it out. Join Astral now. Next up, we have the Giza airdrop claim is now live. If you have gone and participated, here we have it. You can simply connect your wallet over here and check which one you are eligible for. We have the early adopter distribution, as we see here, social contributors, community stewards, early contribution, community growth, and all of that. I never participated in it, so I did not even bother going to look, but you could be able to go and claim this airdrop. So make sure to go and check it out. Next up, we have an update over on Sanctum, which, if you do remember, it's a Solana airdrop, which we did participate a while back. And here we are, the ASR rewards launch on Wednesday. So tomorrow, 15 Mirror Cloud token, 1.5% of the total supply will go straight to the Cloud Fund. Here we have the ASR isn't kind of like a random airdrop. It basically copied Jupiter airdrop. This is thanks to everyone who staked their cloud and joins us on the cloud governance experiment. So basically, it is Jupiter 2.0 in terms of the airdrop idea that they have. So yeah, make sure to go and check it out. I will leave you this link down below. You can go and check it out. Here you got the voting as well, where it was able to go and vote to stake. Simply connect your wallet. I did have it over on my Phantom wallet. This is on Solana. I do remember this airdrop. I did participate, but it was basically not something great in terms of airdrop that we did receive. So yeah, we should also be able to go and see it from their website here. Let me go and check if the website here, this is the Sanctum, the app.sanctum.com, which was this one. Yes, you connect your wallet, the Phantom wallet. Okay, it's not connecting, but anyway, go and check it. The link will be down below. This is the Sanctum farm. As we see here, it was an airdrop that kind of did well, but it was, I think, over farmed from the community. Let me know if you do remember it down below. But anyway, it didn't do the best, and yeah, I don't even know how many people actually it's pretty forgotten, I would say. Anyway, go and check it out. It could be something interesting, which we do have it over here. As we said, this is the page, the Sanctum page, so I will leave this page down below. Next up, talking about the MetaMask airdrop. Now, here is the rumor alert, and I will leave you this exact Twitter page down below because there is a video. This is the video from the blog. The blog is a reputable page over on the cryptocurrency world with nearly 500,000 followers. And this is the video. It's a 58-second video. It does chop up, but make sure to go and check it. And the important thing is the beginning. So,
and in 2022, there were mentions of MetaMask potential token, like Joe Lubin talked about it. Is it ever going to happen?
Maybe.
So he says maybe, which is not yes or no. And if it does happen, make sure to go to the end of the video here.
You'll be able to find a link directly in the wallet. You will not find some account on social media that you've never heard of giving you a link. It won't be a text message. We don't have your phone number. It won't be an email. We don't have yours.
So potentially we could have the MetaMask airdrop coming in the near future, and it will simply be a tab that opens up on the MetaMask wallet, for example, here, that says you are eligible for the airdrop, kind of like what Phantom does here with this one right here. Eligible, congratulations, kind of like the same. However, this was the interview conducted by the blog on May 14th, or May 12th, etc. However, here we have this article that says that the MetaMask CEO says that it will launch token within the next 2 months. It never said that. And also from these people over here, it also got commented by MetaMask, May 16, this is untrue. Now, is it untrue that the token will launch in the next 2 months, or is it untrue that there will be an airdrop? Because here, he does give a little glimpse and a little bit of speculation. Of course, nothing, yes, it's going to happen. It's a little bit of like a cheeky situation where maybe yes, maybe no, make sure to do what you want to do. Anyway, if it does happen, as he said, it will be a link directly here on the homepage of MetaMask. They will say, congratulations, you're eligible for the airdrop. Now, the airdrop seems interesting at first, but probably does to everybody, because how do you go and reward users on MetaMask? Do you reward them based on the chain that they used? Do you reward them based on the volume? But the volume is so vast that there's so many people using MetaMask that me, you, anybody is probably gonna be a shrimp compared to whales that go and move millions and millions of dollars on MetaMask. So are they gonna cyber out to the big guys and just give the airdrop to the crypto world? What is gonna happen? We will see. But from this interview, go and check it out. The link will be down below. It's like a yes and a no. Next up, we also have the Sunrise X Kaito airdrop. Now, you can earn a share of 7.5 million Rise token. All you gotta do is go and yap. So, as we see here, campaign period May 20th to July 20th, 2025. Total reward pool 7.5 million Rise token, 1.5% of the total supply. The allocation will be divided in two. 3.75 to dedicated to Sunrise specific yappers, and allocated to Kaito as Kaito staker. So if you want to participate, make sure to go and start yapping about it, because there is going to be a juicy possibility. Of course, I am a verified followers, verified yapper, so make sure to come and join me and come and follow me as well. We yap together, we earn together, and we win together. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below about the MetaMask airdrop, and don't miss on Eclipse. Do not miss on Eclipse, guys. With that said, thank you for watching and see you later. Ciao, guys.